Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Elsa from Frozen. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how I recreate Elsa, and I'm going to show you the items I wear and also the hairstyle. Okay, I'm going to click on this icon. Alright, and these are the items we can wear to recreate Elsa. The first one, you can pick this hairstyle and also this bangs, and then you can color it with this color. Okay, this is for the color code. Okay, you can color them with the same color. Okay, and for the top, you can wear this item and you can color it black. This is item from the coats item, right? And you can wear the sleeves as well and color it black. And then for the necklaces, you can use this one and color it blue, and this is for the color code. Okay, and then for this necklace as well, I color it blue but with the brighter tone. Okay, and then you can wear this corset. Okay, and you can color the first selection with this color. Okay, and for the next selection, or the second selection, you can color it with this color. This is for the color code. And then you can wear this skirt. You can use this code. Okay, and then for the necklace, you can color the second selection with this color. Same with the skirt. And don't forget to make this skirt only skirt. Okay, remove the top. Okay, you can toggle it to skirt only. And then the last one for the shoe, you can wear this one, and this is the final result. Okay, if you have a VIP, you can go to the VIP room to make it looks more similar. Wait, let me go to the VIP room. Okay, if you have VIP room, you can make it looks more similar with this item. Okay, you can select the only cape light air, and then you can color it with this purple. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Elsa from Frozen. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.